Now, the public health sector risks grinding to a halt, with clinical officers announcing they will go on strike effective midnight tonight. Just like the striking doctors, clinical officers through their Union KUCO are accusing the government and the Council of Governors of neglecting the critical health sector. This comes as ACK Archbishop Joseph Sapit says the church is ready to mediate in the stalemate, calling for striking medics to be open to dialogue. Joseph Wakhungu with the details of the deepening health crisis, as the Ministry of Health maintains it is committed to finding a lasting solution.
It's now 3 weeks since doctors downed their tools, but it appears there's no respite for the ailing public sector. This follows an announcement by clinical officers Sunday. The clinical officers, through their union leaders, says the decision to down their tools effective midnight Sunday was triggered by what they term as the government's negligence of the health sector.
That the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers regrets to inform the general public of the imminent commencement of the national strike starting on April 1st, 2024.
They're also accusing the governors of being a stumbling block to the talks.
There was a directive from court that we resume our CBA negotiations. The Ministry of Health accepted the call and came to the table. The Council of Governors ignored.
Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakumicha says the government is keen on ending the ongoing doctor strike.
Hiyo makosa nitarekebisha. Na hii serikali inataka kurekebisha makosa kila mahali. Ndio nyinyi wananchi mpate faida.
The clergy says it is ready to mediate to end the suffering of Kenyans.
We are calling upon the government to address the issue of the doctor strike by listening to every grievance that are made, and the doctors to be open to dialogue and to conversation. And we want to offer ourselves, even as church leaders, that if the stalemate continues, we want to offer ourselves as mediators. But
for Sunday Express, I'm Joseph Wakhungu.